In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between using present continuous and be going to talk about future plans. So we have a diagram here to talk about future plans. So if we use the present continuous, we've made arrangements. It's a definite plan. We've decided on a time and a place. For example, I'm leaving very early tomorrow. It's a definite plan. I have made travel arrangements. And be going to, it emphasizes the speaker's intention to do something. Maybe there are no arrangements yet. I'm going to leave very early tomorrow. It's my intention. Maybe I haven't made travel arrangements yet. We can normally use the present continuous or be going to talk about future plans. And the difference can be very subtle. I'm leaving very early tomorrow, present continuous. I'm going to leave very early tomorrow. But we prefer using the present continuous when we have made arrangements, i.e., decided on a place and time with somebody else. When we use be going to, we put the emphasis on our intention to do something. I'm going to study for the exams tomorrow. That is my intention. I'm leaving at 8 o'clock tomorrow. It's an arrangement. Your car is dirty. I know, I'm going to wash it tomorrow. It's my intention, but I haven't arranged to do it. Will for decisions. Use will for decisions that you take at the moment of speaking. So instant or spontaneous decisions. A says, oh, we don't have any sugar. And B says, don't worry, I'll buy some. So B made the spontaneous decision to buy the sugar when A said, we don't have any sugar. Be going to or will for predictions. We use be going to or will, but not present continuous to make predictions about the future. So you can see grammar points, A2 grammar, will versus be going to on Test English, or you could watch my video on this. I'm going to put the links to both in the description to this video. I think he'll win the election. That is my opinion. The doctor said I'm going to have a girl. So I've had a scan, and that is evidence that I'm going to have a girl. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. Thank you.